Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. From Supreme Education School System, this is your teacher for class 5. Students, this lecture is about class 5, unit number 7, bookwork. Our today's topics are unit number 7, in defense of hedgehogs, bookwork. Students, in our previous lecture, we have done the reading translation, word meaning sentences and question answers. Now we will start our exercise. Page number 36, exercise A. Underline the verb and say what tense the sentence is written in. आपने इसमें हर सेंटेंस में मौजूद वर्ब को आपने अंडरलाइन करना है और फिर उसके बारे में बताना है कि वेदर इट इज़ पास्ट, प्रेजेंट और फ्यूचर. स्टूडेंट्स, यू नो वर्ब इज़ एन एक्शन वर्ड. वो लफ्ज़ जिसमें किसी काम के बारे में, एक्शन के बारे में बताया जाता है वो वर्ब कहलाता है. जैसे सेंटेंस नंबर 1 में केविन एंड शैन टुक द बस इनटू द टाउन. इसमें टुक ए वर्ब है और इसका मतलब ये है कि केविन और शैन जो है वो टाउन में बस को ले गए थे, तो ये एक पास्ट टेंस है, तो हम इसके आगे लिखेंगे पास्ट. नंबर 2 इज़ आदिल एंड जॉन प्ले फुटबॉल एवरी डे आफ्टर स्कूल. इसमें वर्ब है प्ले एंड दिस इज़ अ प्रेजेंट टेंस. वी विल गो टू द सेम प्लेस ऑन हॉलीडे अगेन नेक्स्ट ईयर. अंडरलाइन गो and it is a future sentence. The girls will ask their father for a lift to the swimming pool. Underline ask and this is a future tense. The thief stole the woman's handbag. Stole, underline stole and write past. The dog chased the cat down the road. Chased is verb and this is a past sentence. My younger brother will start school next September. will आ गया है, start हमारा verb है and tense is future. The man hangs his coat on the back of the door. Hangs is verb, underline hangs and the sentence is present tense. The shop opens at 9 o'clock. Opens वर्ब है, इसको अंडरलाइन करेंगे और सेंटेंस है हमारा प्रेजेंट टेंस में. लास्ट इज आई विल टाइडी माई बेडरूम एट द वीकेंड. टाइडी इज वर्ब एंड दिस इज अ फ्यूचर सेंटेंस. Okay students, now we will move to exercise B at the same page. Question is use each word once to complete all the sentences. Some words are given at the beginning. We have to choose and fill in the blanks. The player dashed the ball to her teammate threw. This is our first time to visit the Discovery Center. We always switch off the television or double F off before we go to bed. There is a new post office opening in the village. The 14th of August is known as Independence Day of Pakistan. We are going to visit the Switzerland this summer. The puppy crawled through the hedge and escaped. Tara and Paul are going to their uncle's wedding. You are going to be late if you don't hurry up. Your new skateboard looks really cool and flashy. Students, our next exercise is C. Write 10 sentences about this picture. We have given one picture at the bottom of the page. You have to write 10 sentences about the picture by yourself and underline the verbs in the picture. Now we will move to page 37. Exercise A. It is comprehension. Choose action words from the list to match the words in the table. टेबल में कुछ वर्ड दिए गए हैं, उनके एक्शंस आपने दिए हुए लफ्ज़ों में से तलाश करने हैं. लाइक कॉफ़ी, what do we do with coffee? We drink coffee. Laces, we tie laces. Cake, bake. Hair, obviously we brush hair. Letter, write. Flowers, pick. Sun, shines. Story, listen. Floor, sweep. And door, close. At the same page, we will move to our next exercise, that is B, vocabulary. Name each group. कुछ words दिए गए हैं, आपने बताना है कि which group do they belong. Like cap, bowler, beret, straw or beanie, these are all hats. Orange, pear, grapes, banana, peach, these are fruits name. So the group name is fruits. Pink, orange, yellow, black, grey are very easy, they are colors. Sad, happy, proud, jealous, scared, these are feelings. Collie, wolfhound, setter, terrier, labrador, these are dogs names. So this group name is dogs. Apple, pear, sycamore, cherry, beech, these are fruits. 11, 14, 9, 5, 2, these are figures. And tomato, mushroom, oxtail, vegetable, carrot, they are vegetables. Okay students, these were our group's name. C exercise is word structure, how many syllables in each word. You have to tell how many syllables in each word. Flat, there is one syllable only. Wisest, 2. Hedgehog, 2. Unrecorded, 4. Prickles, 2. Squashed, 2. Microwave, 3. And thought, 1. Calculator, 4. Distance, 2. Statistically, 5. Motor, 2. Next exercise is at the same page 37. Sentence structure. Underline the word in each sentence that does not belong. हर सेंटेंस में कोई एक वर्ड जो है वो एक्स्ट्रा दिया गया है, आपने उसको अंडरलाइन करना है जो उस सेंटेंस से बिलोंग नहीं करता. द पुअर hedgehog was run squashed. इसमें run is you have to underline run. Hedgehogs hibernate bed during the winter, bed. The car was driving rushing very fast. Driving और rushing दोनों नहीं इस्तेमाल करेंगे हम. Rushing very fast. Driving को underline करें. Cars very speed when they drive on motorways. Very. The hare just about made. Did it across. Did. Darkness falls at once night time. Once. The spines on on hedgehog are prickly. Second on is going to be underlined. I use many salt and pepper to season food. Many. Fruit is an important part of your diet. And sorry, A को हम जो है उसमें से रिमूव करेंगे. A को अंडरलाइन करेंगे. The children went to in bed early tonight. In. So students, we will move to D part, that is teaser time. Remove one letter to make a new word. हर वर्ड में से एक लेटर रिमूव करके हमने एक नया लेटर बनाना है. द लेटर कैन कम फ्रॉम एनी वेयर इन द वर्ड. आप वो वर्ड जो है वो बीच में से किसी भी वर्ड लफ्ज़ों को मिला के, किसी भी लेटर को मिला के बना सकते हैं. जैसे फर्स्ट वर्ड है हमारा टेबल, उसमें से टी को ख़त्म किया जाए तो एबल बन जाता है. बाउल, बी ख़त्म करें तो आउल. ड्रॉल, ड्रॉ. रोबोट, रॉब. टॉप, टू. बेंट, बेट. स्प्रे, रे. हॉर्स, रोज. स्प्लिट, स्लिट. वुवन, अवन. पार्ट, आर्ट. peach, each. So students, that was our book work for unit number 7. It is just completed here. Students, complete your book work at your books neatly and put your dates on that. Students, stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.